Translate and revise phase. After becoming familiar with the entire story in the learn phase, swipe to the translate and revise phase. 1 to 3 translators can work together to meaningfully translate and revise each slide. Each slide is numbered, beginning with the title slide as 0. For each slide, tap the play button on the picture to listen to the audio source narration and/or read the Bible references or source text below the picture to guide your translation discussion. Repeat as necessary.
During the night, a strong wind.
Tap on the blue hyperlinks to research, record and document how to render each key term in your language. Tap on the clear hyperlinks as necessary to be reminded how to pronounce a name or to render a key term consistently with other occurrences of that term. Tap the mic on the lower recording bar to record a meaningful audio translation for the currently visible slide. Tap the square to stop your language recording. Tap the mic again to record another translation draft or to revise the translation for the page. Edits or revisions can only be done by re-recording the entire slide. Tap the play button on the lower recording bar to listen to the most recent translation draft. The last recording will automatically be saved as the desired draft. Tap the List Play icon to view the last few translation drafts recorded. These drafts can be played, deleted, left alone, or manually selected to overwrite the last draft as the default draft. Tap the X to close the list play and return to the main translate screen. After all the slides in the story, a song slide is attached and available. You have the option to compose and record a song in your language to accompany the story. Songs can retell the story and/or sing about things to learn from the story. On the song slide, top left, tap the camera icon to insert a picture from the story or to insert a photo for that slide. Turn the phone horizontally and snap a photo of something to view while the song plays. Perhaps the singers, a scenery photo, a flower, or a piece of local art which is appropriate for the theme of the song and story. To insert a picture from the story, tap the Files icon. In the File Manager, find the story you're working on and choose an appropriate picture, then tap Open to move that picture into the song slide picture area. Tap the camera icon again to change the song slide picture. On the title slide, number 0, be creative with the title. Some ideas are provided in the text. Record and type a title that will attract listeners to the story or to a theme or lesson in the story. Also, on the title slide, you can tap the camera icon and insert a background which will identify the story video as coming from your culture. Perhaps a colour or design or view or object. Another option is to insert an appropriate picture from the files. If desired, add a text title in your language that is the same as the audio title. Tap the pencil icon, top right, then tap in the text window to bring up the keyboard. Type in the desired title, then tap Save in the text window. To edit the text, tap the pencil icon again and tap to place a cursor where you want to change the text.
Tap the question mark to open a help document and read more information about this phase.
When the team is satisfied with their translation of the story, swipe down to the Community Work phase and take the phone to some fresh ears to play and check the story for clear, natural, meaningful language.
Brown. Ten bongbong to kaunan nakutu hasogohan say inbesu. Namangin gun cikanihen. Nena tenggun pan nanunu kungguwana cikanihen.